Okay, once you find your dream home, we need to make sure that you actually get to move into it. Here are the 10 must-nots once you're in escrow on your home. Okay, so oh my goodness, over the years we've seen many buyers make these crucial mistakes after they've already gone into escrow on their dream home, even when we give them a heads up and a warning. They're not listening. Hi, my name is Laurie Hodges with Homes by Hodges and Keller Williams. Please feel free to reach out to me or someone on my team if you'd like us to go into any more detail about any of these items, okay? So, don't do any of the following. Don't change jobs, become self-employed, or quit your current job. Don't buy a new car, van, or truck because you might just end up living in it. Don't use any charge cards or let your accounts fall behind. And be sure not to spend any money you've set aside for closing, and don't omit any debt or liabilities from your loan application. Be sure not to buy any furniture, even if the payment is deferred until after the closing. Don't allow any additional inquiries on your credit except for insurance purposes. Don't make any large deposits or take out any large withdrawals without first checking in with your lender or your agent. Be sure not to change any bank accounts, and don't co-sign on a loan for anyone, no matter what. And be sure to tell your lender if you already are a co-signer for someone, as that debt does go against you. I hope all this information helps, guys. We want to make sure that you understand that once you get your home, you really should try to close on it and not do something that's going to keep you from getting to the closing table. Feel free to call us at any time. Again, this is Laurie Hodges with Homes by Hodges, or making realty dreams a reality. Bye, friends.